First, take a look at some precautions which need to be taken while installing the rail deflector bracket assembly. Ensure that the deflector is positioned 30 to 40 cm away from the TX or the RX coils and are positioned in the next sleeper. Ensure that the height of the deflector is not higher than the rail top. While installing the rail deflector, mount the rail deflector plates on both sides of the track fittings. Fix the deflector plates in front of the axle deflectors. This will ensure that the fittings are protected against any damage from the hanging parts of a moving train. Fix the deflector clamps at the bottom of the rail with the deflector plate using bolts and nuts on each side. Fix the deflector plate with cut on outer rail and without cut on the inner rail.